Alex, I think that's where we're going to see the next round of snow kind of focus in across the Great Lakes and the Northeast, because temperatures, they aren't looking too promising, especially for seeing a repeat snow event for the Southeast. Yeah, I would consider this one a little bit of a hint of a snow event across the Southeast and parts of the Mid-Atlantic. The Climate Prediction Center is saying through next week, we're going to be very likely above average as far as the temperatures go for the Southeast, Deep South, part of the plains, and into the Mid-Atlantic and Northeast. Everywhere else, you're going to be below average, especially across parts of the Rockies. So unfortunately, if you were hoping for more snow across the Deep South, we might get it maybe in a couple weeks. I'll show you in just a second. So this is what we're dealing with. We have all that cold air that's seeped way south, right? Now, let's push it into time. That was today. As we get into next week, we'll see the cold air mainly stay up way to the north. So again, Midwest into the Northeast, New England, Northern Plains, you're going to be cold. As we get into late next weekend and even the first part of next week, the latest model runs are still, again, focusing all that cold air over the Rockies. So not looking like too promising snow events for the South anymore, Alex. Catastrophic, almost like just insane images coming out of the road conditions there. Almost looks like near blizzard conditions for sure, with the wind and the snow coming down. No blizzard warnings. We do have winter storm warnings as well as winter weather advisories dotting the landscape across the Rockies. And that's going to be with us through tonight as the storm system continues. Snow right now in Denver, parts of I-70 out towards Grand Junction. Also seeing portions of that being snowy as well. Cheyenne getting a little clip of snow, but you can see these waves, this dark blue right here. That's some really intense snow, and that can easily drop visibility. Let's go ahead and zoom in now. Look how many reports are popping up due to the snow. As we zoom in even farther into the city, we're looking at Denver with accumulation of 6.5 inches. Just outside of Aurora, we're looking at 7 inches of snow. So that's as of right now. What do we have to expect through the rest of today? More snow. That's what we do have to expect. I-70 will continue to remain very snowy on opposite sides of the city, and even up and towards Cheyenne, up I-25. We can expect that snow. We do have some snow over you, Salt Lake City. We're also seeing some impacts on the roads for you. And this is taking us into 4 p.m. Mountain Time. So we have almost all day long, especially in some big cities across the Rockies. We do have some impacts, and the snow doesn't really taper off until we get into the late evening hours, where it starts to lose its steam. It's really over and done with for the most part, except for the higher terrain closer to midnight, 1 a.m. tonight. As far as how much snow we can expect through tonight, we're expecting 5 to 8 inches across the highest peaks. But Denver, even out towards getting close to Grand Junction, but we're looking at right here, this zone, 3 to 5 inches of snow possible.